Okay, so this video is going to be solving exponential equations. The first idea that we're going to talk about, well, what if we had an equation that looked something like this? So x squared is equal to x question mark. So let's talk about, well, what would this question mark have to be? Well, if these x's are the same number, well, then this would have to be the same as this one, right? Because x squared has to be equal to x squared. So we can take note of this, that when our bases are the same, when these are the same, our exponents must be equal to each other. Okay, so let's look at an example. So what if I had 2 to the x is equal to 2 to the 4th? Okay, well, our bases are the same right here. So that means that our exponents must be equal to each other. We have this one and this one, so we set them equal to each other, which means x must be equal to 4. Okay, so now what if we had equations in our exponents? So let's say we had 3x plus 2 is equal to 3, 2x plus 6. Okay, so remember the first thing we want to do, we want to check if our bases are the same. So here, our bases are the same. Okay, so that means that our exponents must be equal to each other. So we set them both equal to each other. So we have x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 6. Now we solve for x. So I'm going to subtract over x here. I get 2 is equal to x plus 6. I'm going to get x by itself. So subtract 6, subtract 6. I get negative 4 is equal to x. Okay, so when the bases are the same, set exponents equal each other. Okay, so when the bases are the same, set the exponents equal to each other. Okay, what if the bases are not equal? So what if we had 3x equal to 27 to the second, let's say. Okay, so first thing we're checking for is, are the bases the same? Here they're not. But the second thing we ask ourselves, well, can I make the bases the same? So, is there a way that I can rewrite 27 to look more like something like this with a base of 3? Well, let's try rewriting 27 using exponents. 27 is equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 3 to the third. Okay, so if I go back to my problem, I can rewrite my problem as 3x is equal to 3 to the third squared. What do I do with this 3 and 2? Well, I multiply them together, so I get 3x is equal to 3 to the 6th. So now my bases are the same, so I can set my exponents equal to each other. So bases are the same. I can set my exponents equal to each other like this. So we get x is equal to 6. And there's that one. Okay, so let's look at another example. So what if I had 2 x plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so I see this one, and shoot, the bases are not the same. Okay, well, the next thing I ask myself, can I make them the same? Let's think about this. 4 can be rewritten as 4, so 2 times 2, which is 2 to the second. Well, now I can get these bases to be the same. Now I can rewrite my problem as 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 second x plus 4. Well, I multiply these together, so now I have 2x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 8. Now my bases are the same, so now I can set them equal to each other, our exponents. So x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 8. Now I solve for x. Move this x over here. I get 2 is equal to x plus 8. Subtract the 8 over. I get x is